how to get Bitget private key. So if you want to get the Bitget private key, then what you need to do is first you need to open the application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the next thing you need to make sure is you've logged into your account. So make sure to log in. And once you've logged into your account, you need to go with the upper left, which has that dots icon, and go with login. Log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, again go with the upper left, and here you just need to simply tap on your name. Once you tap on it, you'll get this kind of interface. Go with the security section. Once you're under the security, you will have an option of view private key. So if you've not verified your account, then you'll not have the option right here. In my case, I've not verified my account. But if you verified your account, you'll have an option of view private key. You can simply click on it, and it's going to give you the opportunity to select the particular token's private key. So if you click on a token, there's going to prompt you to enter the PIN code. And when you do that, just to verify yourself, and the private key is going to pop up. So that's basically how you can get the private key on your Bitget. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.